How to send or receive crypto on Robinhood wallet. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can send or receive crypto on Robinhood wallet. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and easy, so let me guide you through this video. In order to send or receive crypto on Robinhood wallet, you can get the Robinhood wallet app and open it up, then log into your account or wallet. Now once here, all you have to do in order to send or receive is you can see the send receive tab right there on the home screen as well. If you do not get it on your home screen, tap on the hamburger icon at the top left corner and you can see the send and receive option. In order to send, you want to tap on send and you want to choose the crypto here. Since I don't have any assets, it's not showing me any assets here, but if you do have the asset, you'll be able to view it. Tap on it and then choose the amount, how much you want to send, and then you want to enter in the wallet address that you wish to send to. Now how can you get the wallet address right? To get the wallet address, you'll have to tap on the receive option on the particular wallet that you wish to receive the crypto. Now in this case here, if you want to receive the crypto on Robinhood wallet, tap on receive option right here and then search the crypto that you wish to receive. I'll just choose one from here, and once you do so, you should be able to get the address. You can either copy the address and send it, or you can scan the QR code directly. So this is how you can send or receive crypto on Robinhood wallet. Hope this video helped. To like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.